Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2013. It's now 3:01 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets ended closing in the green. The S&P again hit a new all-time high, but closed slightly below. Price remains in the longer-term upward channel, as seen by the black dashed lines. The S&P is bullish. Resistance is at 1766, as seen by the light pink oval. And support remains at 1593, as seen by the light green oval. The US dollar took another hit today, and price closed down. Price remains in a downward channel, as seen by the black dashed lines. Support is at 21.07 as seen by the light green oval, and resistance is at 22.98 as seen by the light pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for October 22nd. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The following are the qualified pairs: the Aussie US dollar, the New Zealand US dollar, the Aussie dollar yen, and the New Zealand dollar yen. For open trades, the Aussie dollar yen trade opened and we're long 5 micros at 95.06. Target number 1 is 96.01 and the stop loss is 93.15. For new orders, there aren't any new orders today. We decided not to place an order on the New Zealand dollar pair because the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar are complementary pairs. Our open trade is on the Aussie dollar yen. Here's the price chart. As you can see, we purchased 5 micros at 95.06. Target number 1 is 96.01. And our stop loss is at 93.15. Here's the first of our other 3 qualified pairs. This is the Aussie US dollar. We are in a short-term uptrend. This would be a bullish trade. Our second pair is the New Zealand dollar yen. We are in a short-term uptrend, and this would be a bullish trade. Our last qualified pair is the New Zealand US dollar. We are in a short-term uptrend, and this would be a bullish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted was Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Choosing Your Trading Strategy. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US Dollar Index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.